Hey, what are you doing, Ashrita, at school?
We're doing permutations and combinations.
Oh, nice. Okay. Which part of permutation, meaning which part of permutation combination is what you're currently doing? Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Mitransh, you're going to write the test tomorrow, right? You're well prepared, huh? Did you have a look at the assessments?
It's on Tuesday, and I did look at it.
Okay. Do you have any questions that you want me to go over?
Um, just equilibrium and spherical.
Euclidean and spherical geometry?
Yeah.
Oh, that was the same thing the other class asked me too. It's interesting. Did they cover that, Ashrita, at your school?
Which part? I'm sorry. I
Euclidean and spherical geometry.
did it like a little bit at the start of the year.
Okay, see that's what is required. It's not much that's required. Okay, it's very small part. You just need to know what's the difference between both of them. Let me quickly go over it. It's not a big deal. You want the difference between Euclidean? Let me see. You have to give me a minute, okay? I just want to bring that up for you because that's something I've not mentioned much in class, right? Oh, you want Euclidean and spherical geometry? I really don't know which part is it. Uh, just 1 second, guys. Yeah, I do have it. So whatever we are studying right now, right, is a part of Euclidean geometry, meaning the mathematician Euclid introduced us to all parts of the geometry that we are studying. Euclidean geometry generally has the plane, line segment, all these stuff related to whatever we are studying, plane, line segment, line, everything belongs to whatever geometry Euclid came up with. Okay, but having said that, right, there is another part of geometry which we don't study, but let's see. Rather than me drawing, right, let me put this out for you. The difference between the two. So this is the main thing, core concept that you need to know. Okay, between Euclidean and spherical geometry, this is the part that we study. Okay, here you have a plane, a line segment, line is on a plane, all that is there, right? And then you also see the vertices, three line segment meet, right? Meaning two line segments means, and there are three line segments that we are discussing in a plane, they form a triangle, right? The angles in a triangle make up 180 degree. These are things that we have always learned, okay, since you have been small. Spherical geometry is a little different. It's a different part, different type of geometry where everything is represented as a sphere, meaning the plane, right? Plane flat surface that is represented by the surface of a sphere. Okay, the line segment that we discuss here, right? They are represented as great circles. The circles around the sphere are the line segments in spherical geometry. These are called great circles. So the the line is being substituted with great circles in spherical geometry. Another thing that you need to know, the endpoints, right, of those great circles are called antipodal points. They're called antipodal points. Now coming to our triangle, right? If lines would represent the great circles, right? What would happen? Think about three great circles intersecting. When the gray lines represent three great circles. One is this, second is this, third is this. Am I making sense? There are three great circles that are intersecting, making the red triangle inside. This is in spherical geometry. What do you think about it? Here, angle A plus angle B plus angle C in a triangle in spherical geometry is definitely greater than 180 degrees. That's the biggest difference. Okay. Now, one more thing. Do you remember the parallel postulate that we have studied in Euclidean geometry? What is that parallel postulate? Let's say there is a line, there is a point. Per Euclid, who designed this geometry, right? There can only be one line going through there can be only one line going through this point and parallel to this line. This is in Euclidean geometry. What does it say? The parallel postulate, what does it say? There is a line, there is a point not on the line. What Euclid says is there can be only one line that passes through that point and parallel to the other line. That is true in Euclidean geometry. But when you talk about spherical geometry, think about it. Does the parallel postulate hold good in spherical geometry? That's one ordinary easy question that they can ask in an acceleration exam. The parallel postulate, does it hold good in spherical geometry? Yes or no? Think about it and tell me. We can discuss. What do you think? Does the parallel postulate applies to two lines, a particular line and a point not on the line. So like that, instead of a line segment, you are going to replace it with a great circle in spherical geometry. Then you are going to have a point not on that. Let's see. I'm going to do the parallel postulate in spherical geometry now. Okay. So I have a sphere. I have a great circle. Okay. I want to have a point that's not on the line. Line means great circle. There is a point not on the line. Now when you think about it, how many great circles can I draw passing through the point? How many great circles can I draw? Parallel lines do not intersect. That's the definition of parallel lines, right? How many great circles can I draw passing through that point?
One.
Really, let's see. I'll show you. In case of spherical geometry, right? Thing is, this is one. How about this? See, my only constraint about parallel lines is the green line should not, the green great circle should not be intersecting. The intersecting means, see, the thing is, it's 3D here. Let me show it to you in a different way. Let me already draw. I'll paste a diagram that's already there so that you don't get confused. Hold on. I don't know. Hold on. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm searching for that picture that can clearly show you that there can be many. Where is it? Yeah, I got it. Okay. How about this? See here. Do you see the red line is the original line that we are considering in spherical geometry? Okay, the point is point A. Now, see the green great circles all pass through the point A. How do we define parallel lines? Even in Euclidean geometry, how do we define parallel lines? Parallel lines means they do not intersect. So basically the green and the red great circles do not intersect. Okay, but you can have so many great circles passing through the point A that do not intersect the red great circle. As a result, parallel postulate is not true in spherical geometry. Any questions? Okay, I'll stop here. So there's nothing much more. If you want, you can go in depth as to, you can find the sphere radius will be given. You can always use the you'll be asked to find the arc length and all. Okay, they will not go that far for sure. Okay, meaning in an ordinary geometry school based class, they don't even teach too much of in-depth difference between Euclidean and spherical geometry, so we can stop at this point. Make sense? Okay, now coming to, I do want to do probability, right? Okay, let me see where we are on probability. Well, last week what did we do? I really want to get going with algebra 2 from algebra 2, a little bit of the functions from next week, but let's see. Not yet though.
Excuse me.
What? Yes, ma'am?
We did mutually and not mutually exclusive.
Yeah, see, we did everything, right? Yeah, but I have a separate assignment. I want to see how you guys do in Jam probability. Let's see. Because probability is confusing, right? I'm aware of it. Okay, how a simple probability, compound probability, let's first do. Term dealt is dealt. 3 of the 4 cards. What are the probability? Okay. Okay, how about this? Do it, and based on this, we will proceed with whatever areas you need. What is the answer to this? I'm listening. Let's see what you get. They have not gone to geometric probability, right, Ma?
We did a little bit of it.
I see. 3 of the 4 cards.
Like geometric, they just give us a shape and it's like find the probability of the shaded area.
Oh, yeah. That is, yeah. What did you guys get for that one? It's okay to go wrong. I just want to know where we are. That's it. Did you get it, guys? I have only one answer. What does it mean? I don't get it. Shruta, you want to explain how you did it? Srishti, did you understand how to do this? 1 minute, Amma, sorry. Yeah, Srishti has it. Vibha has it. Nice, Vibha. Sahana has it. Srishti has it. Nice. Mahir, you have it. Mitransh, what is it, Mitransh? Try. So, what is the total number of ways? What is the favorable number of ways? Favorable number of ways is just you want A, B, C. We can go for combinations. Choice is not important, meaning order is not important. So, favorable ways by total ways, right? Total ways is you have 4 cards, you have to choose 3. Favorable ways is you have 3 cards, A, B, C, and you need to choose 3. So that is 1 out of 4. Any questions? Did you do in any other way? Okay. So let's move on. So that looks good. Okay. That is very convincing, honestly. Let's see. But I didn't get answers from some of you. I don't know why though. Let's see. I'm not going to include geometric probability now. Let's see something else. Okay. This is good. Okay, let's see these two. Probability is a hard part. Let's see. But if you're stuck only, we'll do each. Let's see. This one, how about this? Yeah. You can try both. A bag of jelly beans contain 10 cherry flavored jelly beans, 10 green. You can read it. Jane eats 1 jelly bean at a time at random. What is the probability that he eats a cherry flavor? I have to check the answers, right? And this will be. Where did I give it to you from? Mitransh, you want to check the second answer? Second answer. I don't know. That is not right, Ashrita. First one, both of you got. But second answer, wait, let me as well check whether I am looking at it correctly.
Wait, I'll check my work again.
Oh, sorry. I felt Mitransh got it. Oh, no. No, none of you got it. Something is not right. I'll also check, guys. A student draws 3 cards from a standard deck of cards. The student replaces the card after each draw. That none of the chosen cards were spades. See, you can as well do it as complementary counting. Oh no, here none of the chosen cards were spades. You cannot use complementary counting. Complementary counting is find the probability that at least one card was a spade. That is hard to find. None of the chosen cards were spades. That's right, Srishti.
Wait, Miss Priya, I fixed my answer.
Okay. That's right, ma. Yeah, Mitransh. So how did you get it now, guys? First time incorrect, second. Mahir, are you getting it, Mahir? Nabiha, where are we, ma?
I have the first one. I'm solving for the second one.
Oh, okay. Just send it to me, ma. Vibha, the first one is right. Send it to me, Nabiha. Even if you don't get it, let me know. Nabiha, you're on the last part of geometry at school?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. See, that's what. Yeah. All the schools are similar. Second one seems a little off for everybody. I don't know how, but yeah, second time you both got it right. Shall I show? Yeah, that's correct, Vibha. Nice. Sahana, that's perfectly right, ma. So a student draws 3 cards from a standard deck of cards. Student replaces the card after each draw. So what is the probability? None of the cards chosen were spades. 52, 13 are spades, right? So you have to choose. The first card is 39 out of a 52. It was not student replaces the card after each draw. Then the second one, none of them are spades, means in the same 39 to 52. 39 to 52 is 13 by what? No, that's hard. How did you guys do this?
It's 3/4 because you can divide by 13 on top and bottom.
Yeah, 3, 4. Okay. So 3/4 by 3/4, right? 27 by 64. Any questions? Okay, that's good. So I think simple compound probability is good overall. Let me get you some problems on mutually exclusive events and stuff. One second, wait. Conditional probability is important as well. Let's see, ma. Wait. I'm not working on geometric probability now. Okay. This seems a little easier. Hold on, I want to go for a little harder. Yeah, I want to go to two-way tables or independent dependent events. Let's go first. And then we'll go to two-way tables. Okay, how about this? Yeah, how about this? You're going to find out whether they are independent dependent events, and then you're going to find out. Okay, you all know independent dependent events, meaning for independent events P of A and B will be equal to P of A times P of B. For this is independent events, when two events are independent. In case of dependent events, that becomes conditional probability. P of A and B will be equal to P of A times P of B, considering A has already occurred. This is conditional probability. So conditional probability of one event, assuming the other has occurred, will be P of A and B divided by P of A. From here I got this. You need to remember this and this. This is for independent and dependent events. So as a part of a board game, you need to spin a spinner which is divided into equal parts. Find the probability. Oh, you don't have the spinner here? That's sad. Hold on, I need to give you the spinner then. That's the spinner. You get it? Let me first get the answers. You can say it is a fraction now. Easy ones, okay? First, let's do the easy ones. This is an easy one. Now, after that, let me also give you another, another problem. I'm going to erase off the formulas. 2 problems, okay? Do both. Let me know where you're getting confused. We'll see. Mahir, did you understand? Was that for the previous question, Mahir?
That was for the 11th question. The one with
Okay. 10 and 11. Got it, ma. I have some answers. How is it? Oh yeah, Nabiha, that's correct. Vibha, that's right. Ashrita, both are right. Sahana, that's right. Second one I'm missing from some of you. Okay, those who have done 2, right? You can do this one. How about this? I think all of you are done with the first one, right? First one was 5 by 64. 5 by 64 was the first one. So now the second problem is on the board. So I'm going to clear that. Second problem is on the board, second and third. This is the second one. This is the third one. Third one is on two-way tables. Second one, I don't want to say what it is. You have to find. Nabiha 1 and 2 are correct, ma. Mitransh 1 is correct. You have to do 2. Srishti both are correct, ma. Sahana, very glad to see, ma. This part is easy, Sahana, for you?
Mm-hmm.
I see. Good to know. Mitransh, how did you do the second one, Mitransh? Let's see. I'm going to do the second one on the board, okay? A bag contains 20 $1 bills and 5 $10 bills. You randomly draw a bill from the bag. See, the thing is, this is dependent probability that you need to assess whether it is dependent probability or independent probability. Because when you pick a bill, right, that bill is gone forever, okay? Set it aside. See, you're not replacing it. So it becomes dependent probability. So it is P of A and B will be equal to P of A times P of probability of B given A has occurred. What is B? B is second bill is 100. This A is 100. So what they're asking? They're asking find the probability that both A and B will occur. So what they're asking to find out is this. What is probability of A? The first bill being 100 is what? 5 out of 25 times P of B. One bill is gone. We have lost one already, right? True, but then we have lost one. So our favorable base is also one lost because we already chose a $100 bill. So this is 1 by 5, 1 by 6, which becomes 1 by 30. Mitransh, did you get that?
Yeah.
Where did you miss, Amma? Why such a big number?
I put 100 instead of 5.
Can you elaborate? I didn't get it.
I understand how
Okay.
you addressed.
Okay. So using a table to find condition, it gives everything. Okay. A quality control inspector checks for defective items. The table shows the results of the inspector's work. Find the probability that a defective part passes. Defective part passes. We know that it is already defective, but we have to find the probability of it passing. See, for these cases, right, from my end, okay, the raw way of doing it is I really want to write this. Okay, I know that this is dependent probability. This is a conditional probability problem. Okay, so I would write it out first. Okay, so they are asking this. Basically, they are asking this. But first I'll iron out what is B and A. Okay, even today I do it like that. What is B and A? They're asking find the probability that a defective part passes. They're asking to find out probability of pass. Probability of it being detected. Probability of being defective. In this case, right, if it is like this, right, probability of A and B is what? Defective and passing is 3. Right? Probability of A is what? A is probability that a defective part passes. Okay. Wait. Probably, this is yeah, correct. The probability of being defective. Probability that this has already occurred. Defective part already occurred. Passes is what you want to find. So what is the probability of being defective? Irrespective of pass or fail, it is 39, right? Out of how many? Defective, non-defective. This is 39. This is 461. How much it is? 500, huh? Yes. Right. So times probability of B bar A. So what is the answer, guys? What did you all get? I have 2 answers from you. What is the answer did you get?
I did something wrong. I have to.
No. Wait, I did something wrong, I feel. Let me see.
Why did you combine 461 and 39?
Oh, I'm sorry. I did the total, ma. So we should only take 39, right?
Yeah, I just took 3 over
Yeah,
39.
yeah, ma. Yeah, ma. So basically, okay, let me do it again. Let me do it again. So probability of A and B is 3, correct? Correct. A and B is 3, right? Pass and defective. Probability of A is what? Probability of A is probability of A is it's just being defective. So that is it's just being defective. Okay. What was your answer, Ashita? Let me quickly check that and then I'll go with mine. 1 by 13. Oh wow. 1 by 13 is correct, Sahana. One by 13 is perfectly correct. So number of defective parts passed is 3 and then this is correct, ma. This is correct, okay. But probability of A means what? It being defective, right? What is the probability of it being defective? That is interesting. What is the probability of it being defective? Defective out of full, right? Ashrita, your answers seem to not be right.
Yeah.
Okay, but let's see. Uh,
See how I did it is it says the probability the defective part passes, right? So defective part passing is 3 and the total number of defective parts is 39. So then I did 1 over 13 times probability of B. Because like the probably non-defective part fails, which means it'll be 11 over 461. And I just multiplied both of them together.
Okay, let's do it. Meaning, let me erase everything off and then do. Meaning, I want my work though. Let's see. I'll erase the previous problem. Let's go one by one. Sahana has done it correctly. So let's see. Where is the mistake? Let's say. What did you do, Ashrita? Let me write down. What did you do? You're saying?
It said the defective part passes, and there's like 3 defective parts to pass, so I did 3 out of 39
Which one?
for the probability of A.
Correct. 3 out of 39 is correct. I also accept. So this, see, I just wrote out the number. 3 out of 39 is correct here. Okay.
And
Then
I multiplied that by 11 over 461
then
because
we need defective and 1 minute, ma. This is defective and pass. Correct. 3 out of 39. No, that is incorrect. That's the problem. It's not 3 out of 39, right? 3 out of 500, right?
why is that a 500? Because it's talking about defective part, right? So if you do 500, aren't you combining defective and non-defective?
Correct. See, probability of A and B. A and B means defective and passing amidst all of it, right?
Okay.
So that is the mistake. So here, I forgot, I just wrote down the number here. Out of 500, this one is probability of A means that being defective alone. Defective alone is 39 out of the total, 500. So what happens? Now probability of, the conditional probability becomes 3 out of 500 divided by 39 out of 500, which is 1 by 13. Sahana, you got 1 by 13, right, ma?
Yeah.
Yep. So A and B is defective and both should occur, right? So that is 3 out of the total. Probability of A just being defective is 39 out of the total. Can I move on? Nabiha, did I make it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, Ashrita, did you clarify completely?
Yes.
We'll do more two-way tables. Two-way tables seems a little hard. Let's see. I want two-way tables. Where to go? This is good. How about this? It's not a table, but let's see. I will bring up some more tables. I want tables, right? Let me see. Oh, yeah. Oh wow, this is a good one. Okay, let's do this. I don't know whether I have solution for this. Let me, I might have answer for sure. Oh yeah, we'll do this. Okay, this is a two-way table problem. Okay, let's do both. Number one, number two. Take your time. If it's okay to go wrong as well. Then let me know where we are. Is it tough, guys? If you are finding it tough as well, put a note, right? We'll work only on that. So the first one is conditional probability. The second one is conditional probability with a table. Twenty-two. 22 is funny. Let's see. 22. I don't know. 22 seems funny. Funny in the sense I want it as a percentage. I don't have any other answers. We'll have to compare. Let's see. Shall I work it out on the board anyway? So as to save time. Oh, that's nice. I think that's right. No, not really, Nabiha. Something feels wrong, Ma. I want a fraction for this, percentage for this one. Okay, let's see first. See, I don't have solutions for these. At a solution, 60% of students buy a school lunch. Okay. 10% of the students who buy lunch, 10% of students buy lunch and dessert. So, what is the probability of the student who buy lunch also buys dessert? This is conditional probability for sure. So, I will first put down the formula because I get confused otherwise. So, P of A times P of B given A has occurred. So, basically, what is the probability that a student who buys lunch that is given? What you have to find is buy dessert. So this is buy lunch. I'll fill it in first, okay? This is lunch and dessert. If this is the case, right? At a school, 60% of the students buy a school lunch. See? This is what you want to know. What is the probability that a student who buys lunch, okay, also buys desert. This is what you want to find out. Given A has occurred, so he is buying lunch, that has occurred, but you want to know the probability that he buys dessert. So this is what you want to find out. But both occurring, right? This one, both occurring is 0.1. Now what do I do? P of B given A has occurred will be equal to 0.1 by 0.6, which is 1 by 6. Nabi, what did you do, ma?
I get what I did wrong. I just did the for the 10%, it like messed me up a little, so I figured that out.
Okay. If you have understood, great. Okay, but I didn't get many answers, so I feel like conditional probability is something we need to solve more. Okay, you got it, Sahana. Nice. Vibha got it. Okay. Ashrita, did you get? Mahir, did you get ma?
Right.
Huh? What is that?
Send me both my answers right now.
Okay. Sure. You sent? I didn't see ma, Ashrita.
No, I'm still typing it out.
Okay. Now the second one is, do you want me to wait or do you want to try? Please answer in percentage, Mitransh. I don't have any comparison. I don't have solutions. I don't have comparison. So please answer in percentage for the second one. See what they're asking and then answer. Even in the exam, right? See what they're asking and then answer. Sometimes they'll ask in percentage, sometimes. Ashrita, second one, there are 2 questions, right, ma? It was a lengthy problem.
Oh, I took them as one. Never, I'll do it.
There are 2 questions on the second one. The table shows the number of species in the United States listed as endangered and threatened. Find the probability that a randomly selected endangered species is a bird. Wow, this is conditional probability. But first I'll write it down like this. It's so confusing to me. P of A times P of B given A has occurred. So find the probability that a randomly selected endangered species, this is occurred, is a bird is what I need to find. So this is endangered. This is endangered and bird. Now it's easy for me. I need to find this. See, probability that a randomly selected endangered species is a bird. I need to find this. Both occurring, endangered and bird. Wow. I will leave it to you guys. You do. You get it? Oh, percentage I need to check my weight. I don't think so, Ashita. Oh wow, both of you are getting the same thing. Oh, I'm seeing the wrong question. Sorry. Oh yeah, both of you are right. Ma, sorry. Mitransh and Ashrita, sorry. Yeah, Sahana, that's right. Srishti Yeah, Srishti, did you answer the first one? Srishti, did you answer the first one?
Like the question?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I didn't. Let me just check. Let me do it.
Yeah, see if you understood. I don't want you to do. That's fine. I think we are good now. So basically, we can do one because the second is the same as that, similar. So we need to find this out. The circled one, right? Both occurring. What is this? Endangered and bird. Endangered and bird, right? 80 out of endangered and bird means okay. Then probability endangered and bird is 80 out of what? You need to find out the total. What was the total, ma? Who did? 8.
It's 462.
468.
468. Yeah, it should end with the 8, right?
Yeah. That's 468 and the other one is 174.
Okay, this is 174.
Yeah.
Okay, endangered and bird. But it should be out of the total, right? Did you add both?
Yeah, that's 642.
Okay. Will be equal to probability of A. Endangered is what? 468 out of full. Now, that is times probability of B bar A. Probability of B bar A will be equal to this by this. So 80 by 460. Did you get this, both of you who got the answers?
Yeah.
What was the percentage? No, sorry, I don't remember. 17.1. Hey, 17.1 is the answer, right?
Yeah.
Srishti, how did you get 16.7?
Oh, I understand. I think I just did it wrong when I was dividing it, I think so.
Okay, Biba, I wanted in percentage, ma. I really don't know. I have to convert then. Biba, yeah, is your percentage correct, ma?
Yeah, I just checked it. It's right.
You understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Mutually exclusive events, I did not, but we can wait on that, I feel. Okay, mutually exclusive events, we can revise next week, I feel. Or we can do that, let's see. This one is good, conditional probability. Then what the next one? Let me see what is the next one. Two-way tables and probability is what we did now, right? No. Oh, two-way tables, okay. I see. Two-way tables and probability we didn't do. Joint relative marginal frequency we didn't do. But let's go to mutually exclusive events. That is more important. 1 second, guys.
For the homework, I finished it, but I couldn't submit it because I couldn't take a picture of it. My phone wasn't
Okay,
working.
last week, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. How about this? See, probability of, okay. I just wanted to understand. This one is quite important as well. See, when there are two events, right, then the probability of A or B is always probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B occurring. You see here, if A and B are disjoint events, they don't have anything in common, then it is just probability of A plus probability of B. Suppose there is intersection between the two, you have to subtract the intersection if you want to get the probability of A or B, because it's counted twice. You see, when there is intersection, the intersection is counted here, one here. So you'll have to subtract that one intersection. So when there are two events that are completely not related to each other, you can just add both if you want to get A or B. Okay, now tell me, I don't want you to do this problem. I just want you to tell me whether they are disjoint events or they have intersection. A card is randomly selected from a standard deck of 52 playing cards. What is the probability that it is a 10 or a face card? Are they disjoint events? You'll use formula 1 or formula 2. Do they have intersection? What do you all think?
No intersection.
No intersection. See, choosing a 10 or a face card. 10 can't be a face card. So there is no intersection. It is just probability of 10, 4 by 52, plus face card. How many face cards are there? 3, 6, 9, 12, right? 12 out of 52. Both you need to add, that's all. 4 out of 52 plus 12 out of 52. How about this? Oh, this is a good one. Try this one. This is probably, see, there are two types of events. One is, see, I'll call this as overlapping event. This sort of events is overlapping events. Overlapping means you have something in common. These are disjoint events. Okay, so this is compound probability. Why compound probability? There are two events happening, A, B. Disjoint means it's very easy. Just add their probability to say probability of A or B. If you want, in overlapping events, if you want probability of A or B, you will have to add both the probabilities, subtract the intersection, because in this itself, you already added the intersection once. You cannot, meaning it's double counted. So you'll have to remove one intersection, one of them. Okay. Now, coming to this, right? Let's do this one. Let's do this one. You're going to find out whether they are overlapping or disjoint, and based on that, you're going to do. Come on, guys, quick. You can give it as a simplified fraction. We'll do one more, please. Because I feel like compound events is very important as well. We'll do these two problems. Probability is very important from a standardized test perception. Did you get it? I didn't see the answers, right? Oh, really? We'll do two problems, but oh my gosh. Nabiha, did you already answer?
What?
Did you already send the answer?
I'm working on the second one.
First one doesn't seem right, or am I seeing it incorrectly? No, I'm seeing it correctly. Let me check. Oh, I'm seeing it wrongly. Yeah, it feels like you're right, Manabiha, for the first one. So, card is selected. What is the probability? See, this one is disjoint events. First, you need to identify that they are disjoint, meaning there's nothing overlapping. So, P of A and B will be equal to R will be equal to P of A plus P of B. What are A and B? 10, 4 out of 52. B is a face card. Face card is 12 out of 52. That will be 16 out of 52. 4 out of 13. So answer is 4 out of 13 for the 4 out of 13 for the first one. Second one, do you want to try or do you want me to try? Second one, seniors and things like this, right? Okay, we need to find what is A and B first. A, B, the event of selecting a senior who is a varsity athlete. B being, let's see, out of 200 students in a senior class, 113 students are either varsity athletes or an honor roll. There are 74 seniors who are varsity athletes. Okay, 51 seniors who are on the honor roll. A means senior varsity. B means senior honor roll. Randomly selected senior is both a varsity athlete and honor roll. Oh my goodness. Will be equal to P of A plus C, but he can be, yeah, we don't know. There can be really overlapping. Overlapping needs to be removed basically. So what is the probability of A and B here? I'm sorry, A or B. We are talking about A or B, right? Wait, let's see. What have they asked? 1 second, guys. I just want to see. The formula is for A or B, but what are they asking? We need to see. Okay. This is A or B. Okay. Now, what is the probability that a randomly selected senior is both a varsity athlete? Oh, so this is what they're asking. So what we need to find? What is A or B? Did you guys get the answer? Meaning I would like to have it in fraction for sure. Otherwise I need to calculate. Yeah, A and B is what they're asking. So what do you do? What is the percentage I need to calculate? Oh wow, Srishti, is that the answer? Second one? Yeah, that's right, Srishti. You can leave, ma.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma. Sahana, you're right, Sahana. Mitransh, that is right, Mitransh. Ashrita, that is right.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, ma. Have a good week ahead. All the best, Mitransh.
Thank you.
Bye,
Yeah.
Miss Priya.
Please tell me how you did. Bye, ma. So coming to this one, right? See, this is what they're asking, right? What is A or B? Out of 200 students in a senior class. Okay, 113 students are either varsity athletes or on an honor roll. Okay, so what is P of A? P of A is the probability of a senior and a varsity athlete, right? So how will I write that? Senior and a varsity athlete, 74 seniors. Oh, that's easy. 74, right? This one is 74. Out of what? 200. Probability of B is what? B is senior and an honor roll, 51 out of 200. What is this, P of A or B? Or see, this is P of A or B. Do you see it? It's very easy. 113 by 100, 200. So now to calculate this, what do you do? 74 by 200 plus 51 by 200 minus 113 by 200. What is it, guys? When I subtract, right, that becomes 12 by 200 or 6 by 100. That's the answer. 6% or 0.06. Makes sense? Or 3 by 50 in fraction. You can have this. Any questions? Mahir, Nabiha?
No.
Okay. Can I stop here and I'll see you all next week? Shall we see next week, guys?
Yeah.
Any questions for me? How are you doing in school, Nabiha?
Pretty good. Actually, I wanted to talk to you about something after class.
You can. You want to go to you want to talk here? The third graders are here, or you want to go to the breakout room?
No, it's okay. This is good.
No, this is not good. I want to talk to you. Wait, regarding your course selection.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, then go ahead and ask because yeah, these are all third graders. They are very nice people. Tell me.
Okay. So I was thinking that I would stop class just for algebra 2 and then restart for AP Pre-Calc because
For me, anything works, ma. Go ahead.
I have a lot of extracurriculars and it becomes a lot on me because I have really late nights and then I have to get up
Absolutely,
early
let me
too.
know, right? Yeah, absolutely. Let me know whatever you want. I'm for it.
Okay, yeah, then I'll talk to my mom and I think I'll probably stop class just for algebra 2 and then come back for AP Pre-Calc.
AB pre-calc. Yeah, perfectly fine, ma. So you're going to take algebra 2 next year, right?
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, as long as it helps or you need help, always feel free to ping.
Okay, thank you.
Makes sense. I'll stand by you by your decision.
Thank you.
And whatever your gut says, go by that.
Yes.
Yeah, it's important, right? Yeah. Bye, ma.
Okay, bye, Miss Priya.
Bye. Hi, guys. How are y'all?
Good.
Good.
Good. Very good.
Good.
Very good. Okay, something is making Adya very happy this morning. Very glad to know, and Vihan as well.
And then
Okay. How are you, Srimitran? Good morning.
good morning.
Okay.
Ish.
Anjali, what's up with you?
I'm good.
Good. Okay. I was wanting to check on something. Wait 1 minute, okay? How are you, Aru?
I'm good.
Okay, you all did this. That's nice.
Miss Priya, my dad forgot to send the homework again.
Oh my goodness, how will I ever know? Adya, I need to see the work, ma.
Oh, wait, did you need to see the work for the
Yeah,
question?
I need to see the work.
Oh, okay. I'll send the work today.
Yeah, otherwise, how will I know what you did?
Yeah, I'll send the work today.
Oh, okay. Now, I wanted to just let you know what I wrote. Aru, I don't see anything. What are the question numbers you did, ma?
I submitted the online homework and
Yeah.
for the page homework I only did I had 3/4 of a page left, so I couldn't submit it.
Okay, my problem is, Aru, are you starting to use equations or not?
Yeah.
You're using equations?
Mhm.
Are you using variables?
Yeah.
Are you using variables?
A little.
A little more I want you to do. And Srimitran, did you get help or did you do it by yourself?
I did it by myself.
Oh, those variables?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Miss
Okay,
My
what
Miss
what did
Priya,
uh,
my mom only helped me for one problem.
for there and here she helped, huh? Okay, I see.
Miss
Anyway, we'll
Priya,
revise now. I'll know. Yes, ma.
I have a question on the 3C book.
We will go there, ma. Absolutely, we'll go there. Aradhya, you did the homework or got help, ma? How did you do?
I got a little bit of help.
I see. Okay, good to know.
I also have a question on in the 3C book.
3C book. Let's go there now. Give me a minute. I'm going to return the homework. Whatever I've written down, I just told it out to you guys. Aditi, are you here, Aditi? Okay. Aditi is not in here.
Get my homework.
Okay, let's go back to your book. And I want
Yeah.
more word problems as well. Let me see what. Yeah, ma. What page number? What question number, ma? Aditi, how are you? See, I'm not, huh? I'm not able to hear you. That's why the problem.
Did you get my homework?
Kripa. Wait. Meaning, if I don't have any comments, I would have graded it for sure. Wait, I want to check. I'm checking now. Wait. Kripa's, where is Kripa's? I don't know.
Aditi also, she was saying, did you get my homework?
Aditi, honestly, I didn't get. Wait, let's see. No, I saw in the email that she submitted, but there is no PDF. So I didn't.
I had to put my PDF, but I did the
You know
homework.
what? Without submitting the PDF, how will I ever know?
I did the homework though. I can do it today.
Yeah, please do it, okay? Then only I'll know, right? Only when you show me the PDF, I'll know what questions you have done, right?
So I have a question on page 86, question 58.
Page 86, question 58. Can we do that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try doing that. Fiona has 4 bills. Okay, let me write the problem on the board. Fiona has 4 bills worth of $25. How many $10 bills are there? How many $10 bills are there? Okay, what is your doubt? Okay, let me first try. She has 4 bills, okay? Let me try putting $10,
Priya,
$5.
can I see that answer in the chat?
I will check I did not honestly look at the chat yet. Okay.
Wait, but can we send it?
Yeah, please. You don't have to ask. Just send and let me know you've sent. Okay. So, Fiona, so let's say she has two $10 and one $5 bills. How much? This is the total money value. Okay. This is the number of bills. This is how I write. Okay. I need to match up with both. Okay. Number of bills is 3. Total money is 25. Total money is perfect. But this is not correct because there should be 4. So what I need to do? I have to reduce the $10 bills. How do I do it? Can I do one $10 bill? And then can I increase this to 3? What will happen? What will happen? Total will be 25 still, and there are 4. Wow, that's it. This is very easy. What was the question Kripa had? What was the question Kripa had?
I just didn't understand it because he had 4 bills, and I thought each bill had to be 10. So
Not necessarily. 4 bills means 4 papers she had. It can be $5, $10, it can be anything. You got it? So my first guess was this. This is guess and check, okay? My first guess was two $10 and one $5. The amount was correct, but the number of bills was less. So I need to increase the number of bills. So I need to reduce from the highest value. So I reduced this to 1, incremented the lower bill. That became perfectly correct for the number of bills and the amount. So this is correct, but the number of $10 bills is 1. Any questions? Any questions? No? Anjali, did you have any questions? Anjali, did you have any questions?
I do have it, but I can't find my book right now. So if I find it, can I tell you next class?
Absolutely, you can. Now, I just want to concentrate on time a little bit. Can we try time?
Yes.
Okay, I have piano class that starts at 3:15 p.m. How many of you know the difference between PM and AM?
PM is at night and AM is at morning.
It's evening and AM is morning.
Okay. What does AM stand for?
AM stands for after morning.
Good guesses.
Does AM stand for at morning?
Wow, good guesses, huh?
Anti-meridian.
What is that? Did you Google?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Okay. So AM stands for anti-meridiem.
I know
That means anti
anti
means
means
before. Okay. This word refers to midday. This word refers to midday, 12 noon. You got it? Anything after is post. Post means after. Post midday. Anything before this is
yeah.
before midday. Make sense? Anti, this word anti is before, meridium is midday. Okay. PM is post. Post is always after. Pre is before. Pre or anti is before. So AM is anti meridium. PM is post meridium. Meridium is 12 noon. You got it? Any questions?
No.
With a clock, what types of clock we have? We have a digital clock and an analog clock. You know what is an analog clock? What is a digital clock?
Yeah, digital clock shows the numbers like itself, and an analog clock has hands.
Yes, good job.
Yes.
Now, there are two types of clock formats. There's a 24-hour clock format or a 12-hour clock format. Where does AM and PM come?
AM comes into
24
12.
hours.
Yeah,
AM
exactly.
comes 12, and then PM comes in 24 hours.
0 to 23:59 you'll have. When the time becomes a 24th hour, it resets to 0. Got it?
Okay. Yeah, because 24 to start the new day.
Correct. 24th hour starts from. Perfect. Okay. Go ahead. Okay. Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's see. How about this? I'll give you a problem. Wait. I want to make it similar to your book as well. It's not like I can give my own, right? Okay. How about this? I'm going to ask something. Okay. I want you to answer in chat. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Just 1 second, guys. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. Okay. I will have this, okay? What is the time? What is the time?
3:56.
Another 56.
2:56.
Why don't you all send it to me? Let me see who gets it right. What is the time?
Miss
Good
Priya,
job,
am I
Kripa. That
correct?
was nice, Kripa.
256.
Shankari, I'm waiting for your answer. Srimitran, the longer clock is the minute. The longer hand is the minute. Adya, that's correct. Shankari, that's correct. Vihan, that's correct. Vishwa, that is incorrect, Vishwa. Aru, that is incorrect. Why it is incorrect? See, this is one area where several of you will make a mistake. That is why I gave you exactly this.
Why?
Why, Aditi, it's not 357. Kripa, that's right. Srimitran, that's right. Aradhya, that is not 356. Guys, when the minute hand is in these parts, right? Whatever the main hour has crossed, that's what you need to say. Here it is 56 or 57 is correct. You can write it as 56 or 57, does not matter. But if it is 3:57, then the hour hand should be here. If it is 3, because you should always say the hour that has passed. If the minute hand is on this part, if it is there, then you should always tell whichever it has passed. 2 is what it has passed and it is coming to 3. So it is 2:56 or 2:57. Aditi, did you get it? Anjali corrected. Aditi corrected it. Good job. So it is 256. Make sense, guys? What is it?
Yeah, but I wrote 257.
That's okay. That's what I said. 256 or 257 is agreed.
Yeah.
Okay. I have another clock. We are working on elapsed time and stuff. Okay. That's a part of your third grade, but what we cover is a little more. Okay. How about this? Okay. Now, what is the time? Try this one, guys.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
1 minute. I will check.
Yes.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
1 minute. Where is yours? 45 minutes. It's a good one. Good question.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Aditi, is that correct? I asked you 45 minutes after the time shown, right, Aditi? Aradhya, that's correct, ma. Srimitran, that's correct. Anjali, that's correct. Kripa, that's correct. Aru, I'm waiting for your answer. What's going on?
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Aru, did you answer this question, Aru?
No, I don't have a scratch paper to work on.
Go get it, ma. Otherwise, how will you do?
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Wait, ma. Aditi, correct, ma. Good job correcting it. Aradhya, correct. It's 10:05, I would say, right? Okay. I did not answer, ma? To whom I did not answer?
To me.
Me.
Okay, sorry about it. I think I did to you. Adya, right?
No.
Adya, I think I did. Yes, you're right. 10:05 would be right.
You also didn't answer mine.
10:05. All of you got it right. Okay. Okay. How about this? Okay, how about this? Can we go to the next problem? Okay, what is 45 minutes before? That's a good one. That's a complicated one.
Easy.
Easy peasy? Okay.
Yep, easy.
Nice. Go ahead and do.
Age 40.
Shoo, 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 shoo.
It's
Then mute yourself. Mute yourself.
I got it. That was easy. I got it.
Vishwa, that's not correct, Vishwa. 10:05, right, Vishwa? You cannot write time like this. Everything has to be 2 digits, right? Vishwa, did you get it?
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Vishwa, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, good. I can check, Srimatra. Not really, Vihan.
Miss Priya,
That's why
am
I told
correct?
you it's hard. Srimitran, correct. Aradhya, not really Aradhya. I told you it was a difficult one, right?
I forgot what.
Kripa, that's not correct, Kripa. Okay, I'll tell you one easy way to find this out, guys. Aditi, can I get your answer ma for this one? See,
Priya,
the
am
thing
I
is,
correct?
see, this is 20 minutes. You have to hold on, okay? You have to patiently wait when I start explaining. This is 20 minutes, okay? 45 minutes is, again, you have to go back 25 minutes. This is already 20 minutes. Going back 5 minutes places you here. So, what is that time? It should be 35. What 35? It should be 8:35. You got it?
But a number.
Hmm?
Miss Priya, can you explain it again?
20 minutes before is this. Another 20 minutes is here. 5 more minutes. That constitute 20, 25, 45 minutes before. So it is at 8:35. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let me ask you this. I'm going to erase everything off. Okay? Okay. I'm also going to erase this one. Let's do this one. Okay? What is 45 minutes before the time shown? Before is always hard.
Wait, what was the question?
The question is written on the board.
Oh, what's the time for goodness?
Yeah, am I correct?
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Srimitran, I gave you a reaction. What does it mean? Can you check, Srimitran, your answer once more?
Six.
Did you get it, guys?
I got it.
Okay, many of you. Let's see.
1 minute. Exact.
1 minute, Mapi.
Miss Priya, am I
Hey,
correct?
Shankari. Did you read the question, Shankari? Did you read the question clearly?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yama, Shankari, I give you a heart. Aditi, correct.
Miss
Vishwa.
Priya, am I correct?
Just patiently you have to hold on, okay? You can check. Maximum value. Kripa, why did you get a 525 mark? Can you elaborate? Aradhya, why did you get 540? Can you elaborate? Aru, why did you get 535? I asked for 45 minutes, right? How to check 45 minutes? You know how I'll check? This is 13 minutes before. Oh, I'm sorry. This is 15 minutes before, right? I have to go 45. Then I have to go 30 more. 30 more down comes here. So what is the time then? It is 5:30, right? Did you guys get it? Aru, did you get it? Aru, did you understand? You changed it. Aditi, did you get ma? Anjali, why is not there an answer from you?
I did answer.
No, 2:45 is not correct, right? Anjali, the way you misread the time. This is the shorthand, right? The current time is 6:15. 45 minutes before is 5:30. You got it?
I got 3:30 as a time.
Yeah, that's the problem because this is the longer hand, right?
Oh.
Okay. Now let's see. Okay. You need to read the time first properly. Okay. How about this? Suppose I went to a movie. Okay. Started at 12:45. Movie goes for 85 minutes. When does it end?
Miss Priya, could you draw the clock?
No. Why? Why would you need the clock? You don't need a clock, right? You can draw a number line, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, see? There are multiple ways of doing this.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Oh, you gave the answer so soon. Good job, Srimithan.
Miss Priya, can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, please go and come back quickly.
Am I correct?
Shankari, correct, ma. Aditi, no. Aditi, why did you go back, Aditi? You don't have to go back, right? I went for a movie that started at 12:45. I'm asking when does it end? Not really, Vihan. Vihan, how did you do this? Kripa, not really. You have to explain how you guys did it, Kripa and Vihan.
Miss Priya, can I explain?
Absolutely, if you want to. Aradhya, good job.
Miss Priya,
Vishwa, not really Vishwa.
I got logged out. Shoot.
Adya, not really Adya. Adya, you're not understanding. Movie is ending. Movie is starting at 12:45. Did I ask you before or after?
Oh.
Aditi, recheck. You're miscalculating, but you understood what to do. Guys, okay. I'll let you explain now, but this one I'm going to do. See, I went for a movie. It started at 12:45. Okay. You know, I always, when I draw a number line, I do it in terms of 15 minutes. That's always nice to have 15 minutes. Okay. So this will be 12:30. You should always know to count by 15 minutes. This is 12:15. So useful if you know how to calculate by 15 minutes. 12, 12:15, 12:30, 12:45, 1. And then again 1:15, 1:30. It's always good to do 15-minute intervals. 1:45, then 2, 2:15, 2:30. Okay. Now they are asking 85 minutes. 85 minutes is a little hard. Let me subtract 1 hour. 1 hour is 4:15 minutes, right? And after that I have 25 minutes. So 4:15 minutes means I start from where? I start from 12:45. 1, 2, 3, 4. 60 minutes is gone. Okay. I have to move by 25 minutes forward. 1 15-minute forward is 2:15. Right? 1 15-minute forward is 45. I started, right? 12:45 I started. Let me redo, please. I started from, where is my 12:45? I didn't start from here. That's my problem. 12:45 is here, right? From here I need to start. 1, 2, 3, 4. First 60 minutes is gone, right? I need to account for 25 minutes. So let me account for 15 minutes. Let me pull out 15 from here. I have 10 more minutes remaining, but I'm here. right? I am at 2 o'clock and I have to move forward by 10 minutes. So I'll end up at 2:10. Did you get it? Drawing number line like this and spacing it out by 15 minutes is really helpful. So from that 85 minutes, you start subtracting. 4 15 minutes will be 60. Pull out 60 first. And after that, remaining 25. In that remaining 25, pull out another 15. See, each frog jump is 15 minutes. So I have remaining 10. So from wherever you stand, go forward 10 minutes.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma.
can I explain how I did it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so there's 15 more minutes to go to 1 o'clock from 12:45. I do 15 minutes and then it's 1 o'clock. Then I minus 15 minutes from 85. That will lead you to 70 minutes. Then I subtract 1 hour from 85. So it'll be so 1 hour, when you add 1 hour to 1 o'clock, it's going to be 2 o'clock. Then there's 10 minutes left. So then you just add that 10 minutes, so it's 2:10.
Oh, nice. Good job. Okay. I have more questions for you guys. So answer was 2:10. Who did not get it? Can I move on? Okay. Now I have too many questions. 20 hours after 5 p.m. is what time? 20 hours after 5 p.m. See, 20 is near 24 actually. You see, 20 is actually near one full day. The next day 5 p.m. is 24 hours. From there you have to go back 4. I will wait to see your answers. Did you get it, guys? I'm going to give you a very tough question. Let me see whether you get it. You know what a decade is? Who knows what a decade is?
A decade is 10 years.
A century?
Is 100 years.
A millennium?
1,000 years. 1,000 years.
Good job.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Am I correct?
1 minute more. How many decades are there in a millennium? How many decades are there in a millennium?
100.
100.
I mean 100.
Vihan, PM or AM is important here. You cannot just put the answer. If you don't put the PM or AM, it's still incorrect.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
accidentally did 100 times 10.
That's right. 100 times 10 is 1,000, right? So there are the 100 decades in a millennium. Now, 24 hours after is 5 p.m. the next day, right? This is 24 hours after. Okay, but I don't want that. I want 4 hours before this is 1 p.m. Make sense?
So the answer is 1 p.m.?
Yes.
That's what I got.
Yeah, good. Now,
That's what I think too.
great, okay. Now, you know what a leap year is?
Yeah, it's a year where it has 366 days, which adds up a day in February and it adds up to 29.
Very nice. So, was this a leap year? Is this current year a leap year?
No, it's not leap year. This year is 4 years is a leap year.
When was the last? Okay, yeah.
It has
Once
to be
in 4.
divisible by 4.
Once in 4 years we have a leap year. Okay, 2000 we had a leap year. Then 2004 you had a leap year. You know why? What happens? Basically the earth revolves around the sun, right?
Yeah.
It takes 365 days, 365 and a quarter day to go around the earth. You got it? So 2001 when they started, it took 365 days and 1/4 of a day. 2002 again consumed 365 and 1/4 of a day. 2003 again consumed 365 and 1/4 of a day. 2004 again consumed 365 and 1/4 of a day. In 2004 what they did, you know, They took all these fractional hours and then made it one extra day in 2004. That became a leap year. You all got it? 2001, what happened? The earth took 365 1 by 4 day. 2002, after 365 days got completed, we went to 2002, leaving this. Again in 2002, the earth took this many days. Again we left that 1 by 4, and after 365 days, we came to 2003. In 2003, again the earth took 365 days and 1 by 4. Again we left this 1 by 4. Now there are 3 by 4s accumulated which we have not accounted for. 3 by 4th of a day still remaining. We came to 2004. Here again the earth took 365 days and 1 by 4 days. Here now we added this in 2004. We added this 1 by 4 to make it 4 by 4, which is equal to 1 whole day. And this 1 whole day was added to February in 2004, making it 29 February days. That is why this is called a leap year. Do you all get it?
Yes.
Why do we get a leap year? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Why is that once in 4 years we get a leap year? Because the earth really takes quarter day extra than 365 days. That gets accumulated every 4 years to become one whole extra day. Yes, ma.
Why do they add the date of February?
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. But I can check and tell you. Wait. Why do they add? Why? Yeah. I like your question, but you know what? It should be because of the fact that we always define a month as having 30 or 31 instead of having some other month more than that. February is the only month that has 28 days.
But like, if it keeps adding, won't it get over 31 days?
They are not going on getting added. Once in 4 years, one day gets added to February. That's all, right?
Yeah, but then when there's like multiple leap years, then how come will they keep adding the days to February?
Always. And you know what looks like in Roman calendar, February was the last month of the year. And it was a very short month as well, right? As a result, they added this extra 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. 4 1 by 4s were added to the last month of the year, which was the shortest month, and that was February, and we keep following that.
I thought.
Miss Priya.
Go ahead.
How about if someone had a birthday on February 29th?
Yeah, you know what? I know of people who have that birthday and they celebrate it once in 4 years.
They would celebrate it on March 1st because March 1st is basically February 29th.
I completely agree.
How is it basically? Because they're different days.
That's true, but how fortunate they are. See, how fortunate they are that their birthday comes only in 4 years, unlike all of us who have birthdays every year.
That's sad.
That's sad.
No, that's not sad.
That is very sad.
That's really not sad. How fortunate to be a different person from the others.
You'd be lucky. Yeah.
Lucky, yes.
That would be
Okay,
kinda cool.
guys, I have a very hard question. Let me see if you answer this, okay?
Hard question.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have a little monster, okay? I'm asking the monster, okay? I ask him what was his age, okay? The little monster said, okay, when I asked him for his age, I asked for his age. You're going to answer this, okay? He's saying, what did he say, you know? The day before yesterday, I was 6. Okay. Next year, I have to think too. Okay, I don't know the answer. Next year, I turn 9. He said it right, but how is this possible?
Priya auntie,
Yeah.
is the monster just confused?
No. Oh, no. That's what I'm saying. He said it right. The day before yesterday.
First.
The day before yesterday, I was 6.
Priya, I think I got it.
Wait. Let others think.
Okay.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
That's why I said it's a hard question.
Am I correct? I answered
I'm
it.
checking one by one because you're all writing big answers for this and I have to see. Wait. Okay. So when was his birthday, Vihan? When was his birthday and when was he asked about his birthday? When was his actual birthday? Adya, is that so? I don't think so. Your way of thinking is right, but your reasoning is definitely incorrect. No, not really, Anjali.
Do I have to like explain why my answer is
Yeah,
no?
exactly.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. Okay.
Kripa, that doesn't make any sense because his birthday was yesterday, correct? Okay, let's say his birthday was yesterday. Okay, so what happened? Let's say today is April 7th. Let's say today is April 7th. Let's assume today is April 7th, okay? The day before yesterday, and yesterday he turned 7, let's say. April 6, you're saying he turned 7, okay? So day before yesterday was April 5, he was 6, correct? Next year, when is the next year? He turned 7, okay? Now, he continues to be 7 this year, okay? How can next year he turn 9? He can't. He'll turn 8 next year, right, Kripa? But your thought process is right. Somewhere something else is wrong. Your
Miss
thought process is perfectly right. You will arrive at the answer if you think a little more.
Miss Priya,
Yes.
I don't get it.
You don't get it.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
No, nothing to do with the leap year.
I just think the monster's confused.
Not at all. I'm saying the monster said it right.
Wait, is it because it's a monster?
Is it
No.
because monsters live like 10,000 years ago?
Is it because it's not a human and it does not have human years?
Let's see.
I don't get it.
You don't get it? Do you want me to give you a clue?
I'm close to the answer. I'm close to the answer.
Yeah, I want a clue.
I'm so close to the answer.
Then I'm going to wait. It's not a hard one, I tell you.
I mean, it's so hard.
It's not hard. It's not hard. I tell you. It's not hard.
Way too hard.
Do you know the answer?
I think so, but I have to check, meaning I have to talk it out with you and then check.
Oh, now I understand.
You understand? Then come up with the answer.
If the monster is not confused, he's just not smart.
It is very smart. That's why it's saying like this, right?
Why does he have to say it in real
What is
form?
funny? Really, the monster is very smart. Otherwise, how can a person answer like this?
Monsters are very much smarter than humans.
So we have to think like the monster. That's what I'm saying. So how to think like the monster? Huh?
He's not alive.
He's alive. Oh my goodness. He's a smart monster and he's alive, I'm saying.
Oh my god.
Okay, can you think of that edge cases? What are edge cases? Edge cases means let's say I have my birthday on maybe February 29th or December 31st or like that. Do you want to think like that? Or January 1st? Those are edge cases where things might take a turn. It can happen only if his birthday is on a particular day. This can only happen if his birthday is on one particular day.
Is December?
Did I say it?
Yes, please.
December is
This is the February 29th?
That will not make a difference. February 29th will not make a difference.
Is December a 31st day or a 30th day?
31st.
31st. That's what August.
I don't want to
That's what
say
August-
that.
Is it on January 1st?
Somebody is coming so hot, so near.
Is it on January 1st?
I don't know, guys. You think and tell.
January 2nd.
But I don't know if it is right.
See, it's either December 31st or January 1st.
I won't tell you. Why don't you come up with it? Think,
Oh,
get in paper. Guys, instead of always thinking in your brain, right? That's why you have to write it down. Okay, previous day. Yeah, please write down then. That's what your math problem is. When you think about a math problem, it's not like you think in the air. You have to write it down.
So he was 6.
Write it down and see one day before, whatever it says, right? The day before yesterday, see what is his age. Like that, if you compare, you will get the answer. It's not like you always think in your brain and so just say some answer. No, right? We want to be nice and perfect. When you write it down, put arrows for the before and the day before.
I think I kind of know.
Mm-hmm. When is his birthday? Just tell me that. That will clear me up.
December 31st.
Good. That's right.
That's what I said.
But how?
I went it through with multiple ways and I never
Mm-hmm. How was it? How is it December 31st? Why?
because
December 31st. Wait.
Let's say December 31st is his birthday. Okay. Now, see, the day before yesterday, December 30th was the day before yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay. So, as a result, he was 6 and he turned 7 on this day. Okay. Let's say this is 2015. Okay, now what happened? When was he asked? He was asked on January 1st. I was asking the monster the age on January 1st. So he said, the day before yesterday I was 6. And what happens in, this is 2016. On December 31st or December 30th, he will still be 7. December 31st of 2016, he'll turn 8, right? However, next year I turned 9. Yes, in 2017. December 31st, he turns 9.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
In 1 year.
Yeah, in the next year. That's what he says, right? Next year I turn 9. So on December 31st of 2017, he turns 9. You got it? The question was asked to him on 2016 January 1. His birthday is on December 31st every year. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay, so it was you asked him on 2016 and he turned 7, but he's turning 8 that year, so then next year he'll become 9.
Correct. Very smart monster, right?
Let's finish
No.
writing.
No.
Yeah,
It's fusing you bad monster.
he's really a very smart monster. Okay, guys. Now I really want to go over some of these with you. Now tell me, when you put a popcorn in the microwave, right? You're going to estimate. Okay, you're going to tell me the unit of measurement you're going to use. I put popcorn in the microwave oven. Should I measure the time in seconds or hours?
Seconds.
Now, you know you're eating oranges. I'm taking one orange. The weight of this should be measured in ounce or tons.
Ounce.
You know what a ton is?
What's it called?
Ton is something you would use to like measure.
A car is a ton. In a cell phone, it's a ton.
See, if everybody talks at the same time, I have no way of understanding what's going on. What is a ton, I asked, and I really want to know the answer clearly so that everybody understands the same bit as well. Okay. So, no. One of you take turns and say, I don't want to be picky. I don't want to pick, you say. One of you say this time, one of you say next time.
Tons are used to pick big things.
I just want to know 1 ton is how many what?
1 ton is 32,000 ounces.
Really? 1 ton in lbs, do you know?
No.
Ounce.
1 ton is 32,000. I have to check. 1 ton is
2,000 lbs.
32,000 ounces is correct. But then 1 ton, I like this way of saying 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. Bigger than piano. Piano is even 300 pounds.
What's how?
Huh?
How the piano 3,000 tons?
3,000? No, I don't think so. 300 or 400 pounds.
You said 3,000 pounds.
What is it, ma?
No, it's like
Pounds.
it's in the hundreds somewhere.
Yeah, 32,000 ounces is correct though. Okay, now let's see. Okay, let's say the age of a large tree, the age of a thick branch tree. Let's say age of a large tree. How do you say?
Ton.
Age of a large tree is measured in what unit?
Ton.
Tanna. The age.
Oh, age.
You have to see, guys. You have to see the question.
Years.
Years. Good. Years. Good job. Please see the question asked. Okay. Weight of a jumbo jet. Weight of a jumbo jet is measured in what?
What's a
Tons.
ton?
Jumbo jet is ounce, then lbs or tons?
Tons.
Tons. Yes, jumbo jet is a big jet. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's see this one. An adult elephant, how will you measure? An adult elephant's weight.
Ton.
Tons. Good job. Now, guys, I have a question to you. Okay, a cup that you drink, let's say water or juice, is approximately. It is approximately means you can use this symbol. This symbol is called tilde. Is approximately, a cup approximately contains. What is the measurement that you use to measure the juice that you drink in a cup?
Fluid ounces.
1 pound.
Fluid ounces. Why a fluid ounces? The ounce is used to measure only solid material. However, fluid ounce is measured to measure liquids. How many fluid ounces approximately?
3.
You will drink a lot more of juice. 8 to 11 ounces. 8 to 11 fluid ounces.
Would that be liters?
Huh?
Will that be liters?
No.
Liters is different. Liters is too huge a quantity. Fluid ounces is very less a quantity.
You can't do milliliters.
Yeah, you can have it in milliliters, that's okay. But fluid ounces is when a cup is always usually measured in fluid ounces, so it'll be 8 to 11, 8 to 10 fluid ounces. You got it?
Yes.
Okay. How about this? Okay, how about this? The length, you're going to guess, okay? In centimeters of this sentence that I write. The length in centimeters of the sentence that I have written on the board. The length in centimeters of the sentence I have written on the board. Quick, guys.
How do we know that? We need a ruler.
No, that's what is estimation. You don't need rulers to be exactly correct. Each answer can differ, but shout it out.
20.5 centimeters.
How much?
20.5.
20? Is this 20 centimeters?
I think it's 11 centimeters.
Like
11.
I would say 8 centimeters or 8 centimeters or 9 centimeters.
9 centimeters.
11.
Yeah, number of gallons in the kitchen sink. Number of gallons in the kitchen sink.
Oh.
2.
10.
2.
Gallons.
5. 5.
5 is a good quantity. 5 is a good quantity.
7.
1 liter is more than, okay, tell me one okay guys, one thing what you need to understand is in UK the measurements are different, US the measurements are different. In UK we always use, in UK or elsewhere, anywhere in the world or UK they use metric units. Okay, in the US we always use customary units. What is the difference between them? Metric units is always, like, let's say length, weight, capacity. These are the three we always measure: length, weight and capacity. Okay, if it is metric units, we always tend to use what? Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectameter, kilometer. You know the King Henry story?
Yes.
Yeah, so you remember that, right? So it starts with King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. So what happens here?
Add an M
You
everywhere.
can add M here. It's all millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter. U is always meter, liter. Weight is liter. Capacity, I'm sorry. Weight is always kg. Grams, right? We'll always say milligram, centigram, decigram, gram. Meter, gram and capacity is liters. So these are all, the King Henry constitutes the metric units. Okay, when you come to customary units, the length will be in terms of what? Say one customary unit for length. What is it we use in the US for length?
LLB.
We use feet.
Ow.
For length measurement, what do you do?
We use feet.
What is that? Feet. Feet. What else? What else?
Centimeters. Centimeters.
No, centimeter belongs here. It's a part of King Henry.
Oh, inches.
Inches. Good job, guys. Okay, coming to weight, what do we use?
We use
Pounds.
gallons.
Pounds. Good job. What else?
Gallons. Tons.
Gallons.
Wait. We are talking about weight.
Tons.
Okay, tons or what? What else? Ounces.
Pints.
Capacity, what do we use?
I think
You know what? Whenever we think of capacity, the gallon man should come to picture. Gallon man. Remember the gallon man?
the gallon.
Gallon man. So he has what? Quarts, pints, all this he has. These are the customary units for capacity. You got it? So there's a big difference between metric units and customary units. Customary units is what we use in the US. So always whatever we measure, right, it should either be length or weight or capacity. So always remember the King Henry story when it comes to metric units. Okay, that doesn't come in the customary units at all. King Henry story, the entire story is only on the left side. which is not in the US, okay? In the US, we tend to use the customary units, which are very different from the King Henry story. Make sense?
Miss
Make sense
Priya.
or not? Hmm.
Miss
Does it
Priya.
make sense or not?
Yes.
Okay, good. We'll stop here. And in the book, you're going to finish what? No, what pages? You know?
Nope.
72.
You're going to finish till 96. 88 to 96. 88 to 96. 88 to 96. Okay?
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma.
I have like a way to know like all of the things you can use to find capacity.
What is it? Tell me.
So my teacher taught us like gallon land, and in gallon land there's 4 queens, and those 4 queens have like pints and fluid ounces as pets.
We should discuss this next class.
Okay.
You know what? No. Why I will tell you. I have another way of telling you. The gallon man has 2 hands and 2 legs. Those become the quarts. I want to hear your story about the queens. Can we hear it next week?
Yeah.
Okay, definitely. Please remind me as soon as you come in next week.
Okay.
Makes sense? But you need to finish till page number 96 of the book, guys. Please note down. You will finish till 88 to 96 of the book. See you guys. See you guys next week. If you have a question, you stay. If you don't have a question, we can log off.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye,
Thank you.
guys. See you. Bye. Bye, bye, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya. Thank you.
Bye, bye. See you next week. Have a nice week ahead, guys. Hi. Kripa is still there. Kripa, did you have a question, ma? Okay. Hi, Bhavisha. How are you?
Wasn't on it. Oh. Hi, I'm good.
How are you, ma? Which grade are you in? Tell me something about yourself.
I'm in 6th grade. I like blue.
Okay. Okay. So where do you study, ma?
I study in Robinson, like Plano, Texas.
Yeah. I know. I know Robinson very well. Okay. So you're in 6th grade right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Are you in Math Rocks? Meaning, I just want to come straight. So, are you in Math Rocks?
No.
No. Okay. Can I quickly ask for your score? What was your meaning? I want to just like I don't want to waste time asking very easy questions, very hard questions. What was your map score last time?
I'm pretty sure it was like a 239.
Okay, you're currently in 6th grade end. You wrote the 6th grade star.
Yeah.
Okay, so you had a score of 230 plus, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. And what is that you're looking to study with me? Tell me from your end. I've talked to your dad, but what do you think you want to study?
Like algebra 1 or like pre-algebra because we're learning 2-step equations and 2-step inequalities in school right now.
2-step equations. Okay. I see. You wrote your star exam?
Yeah.
How do you score in your star exam?
They grade it in like a master's.
Oh, your results are out? No, right?
No.
Okay, you've just written the exam, right? Last week or so. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay. See, let's see. How are your grades at school, ma, during your 6th grade?
I have A's in like all the subjects.
Okay, particularly in math, you have a big A, correct?
Yeah, I have a 97.
Okay, that's wonderful. How about this? Can I ask you, meaning, I just want to know where we are as well. Do you see what I mean? How about this? 2x plus y equal to 3. Do you know how to draw the graph of this? It's a little up, I'm asking. Don't worry about it. I'm asking 7th grade stuff.
Is that an N or an X?
Okay, let me write it down like this. It's hard, right? Yes, I get it. I hear you. Okay, how about this? Is it an additive relationship or multiplicative relationship?
Addition.
Okay, have you heard of proportions or no?
Yes.
You've heard of proportions?
Yeah.
Cool. How about, okay, the same question before. Is this proportional or non-proportional relationship? Why?
No,
Why?
because proportions like related to ratio, and there's no like ratio relationship in it, I think.
Can you give me an example of it then?
Like,
You're right, telling it correct, but I want you to be able to say one more example of a proportional relationship then. You say this is not proportional, that's right, okay? But for me to understand whether you really understood, tell me one example of a proportional relationship.
okay, so 4 divided by 2 is like the same thing as 6
Oh,
divided.
nice. Good job. This is good. So
Yeah.
this is a proportion. When two ratios are equal, this is a proportion.
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay, you understood proportion very well. But you know what? When it comes to relationship, right? Relationship is always between two quantities. How about this? I'm sorry. Wait. Sorry. How about this? See here, when you increase x, y will increase. The relation, how they are related is, when you think about it, divide by x on both sides. Y by x will be equal to 2 by 1. You see, whatever you said about proportion holds good here. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Ratios are equal. Whenever, see, y by x, between the two quantities, if you put a ratio, it's always 2 by 1. So this is a proportional relationship. Make sense? Whereas you can't do that here. Why?
Because it's adding.
Yeah, this one, if it's not there, then it is proportional. Otherwise, it's not. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So do you know how to draw this as a line in a graph, coordinate graph?
No, I only know like
Let me show you. You know
improve-
already this one. What I'm asking is, how do you put it into a graph? Okay. You have a table. You know about independent variables, right?
Yeah.
Which is your independent variable here?
The independent variable is y.
No, that's the opposite. That's a part of your sixth grade. So, independent variable is your x value. That means you can put any x value that you want. Let's say 1, 3, 5. How do you calculate your y? What is the y value when x equal to 1? You tell me.
You add x plus 3 and to get y.
What is it? Fill it in for me. What is the answer here? What is the answer?
4,
Mm-hmm.
6, and 8.
Nice. So these become the coordinate points. 1 comma 4, right? 3 comma 6. Do you see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Okay. So now when you go to 0, what happens? It's a tricky question. When you go to 0, what happens?
Like you
See the pattern and
talking
tell me.
about like where I would put it in the graph.
Yeah, where you'll put it in the graph. Yeah.
So like where you started the graph.
Yeah, when you put x
That
equal to
point.
0, what happens to y?
Y would be 3.
That's what I'm saying. So as a result, the line, when it forms a line, it's called linear relationship, correct?
Yeah.
Linear means a line means a linear relationship. This forms a line. However, the same relation, if I put y equal to x, then I have 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 0 comma 0. Do you see the line? See the difference between these two lines?
Yeah.
Basically, this line passes through the origin. Proportional relationship passes through the origin. The non-proportional relationship do not pass through the origin, though both are line relationship. This is also linear, that is also linear. But this is proportional, this is not proportional. You got it?
Yeah.
You understood, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but this comes in 7th grade though. How about this? Have you heard of the term, this one?
IQR.
What is it? Where do you see it?
So when you do a cat and whiskers plot.
Nice. Oh, you call it cat and whiskers, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, I call it box and whiskers. Okay.
So when you draw that, the relationship between I mean the space between quartile 2 and quartile 3.
You sure?
No, quartile 1 and quartile 3.
Quartile 1 and quartile 3. This is called IQR. Good job. Nice. Okay. How about when you, what is the answer to this one? 2.5. I want to make it hard on you, okay? 2.5 divided by 1 by 4. Do you know what is the answer?
4.
Take your time. Ma, you have a pen, a paper and a pen, ma. Always, ma. Math, right? Always in class to bring that, okay? Otherwise, you start thinking in your brain and it becomes foggy. You got it?
It's 10.
Good job. Oh, wow, nice. How about this? Okay, can you order? This one is all 6th grade. 6th grade, you seem to be very good, but I'm just asking to make sure you're good, okay? How about, can you order in descending order? Can you arrange in descending order?
So like greatest to least?
What is descending?
You go down.
Good. Greatest to least. Correct. Go ahead.
Five, -2, -4, and -6.
Oh, nice lady. Good job. Okay. Okay. So you're not confused at all. That's nice. Okay. How about what else I wanted to ask? See, this is number operations. How about this? Do you know how to solve this? This is a little up your level. Okay. I'll tell you right off. Okay. Just tell me whether you know how to solve this. Do you know how to solve this?
1 second.
The exact two-step equations that you're solving at school, but I have added an additional bit of
Yeah,
intensity.
I think I know how to solve this because
Really? Go
our
ahead.
teacher gives us enrichment.
Oh, your teacher gives it in fractions?
Sometimes.
That's good then. Because at 6th grade level, you don't solve fractions.
This one's not exactly how our teacher gives it, but I put
That's
negative.
okay. What did you do? Tell me. You can work it out on the board, or you can show meaning. You can tell me. I can write whatever you want. Tell me.
So I
The
wanted
X
to
was
take
difficult for you, right? Let me write my X like your way. Go ahead.
So I subtracted 3/4 on both sides.
Okay, okay, good one. You subtracted 3/4 on both sides. So what did you get? Half x. Let me write it down for you, and you can tell the next step.
So then I did so I subtracted wrong, I see.
That's right. See, but naturally the first step is to subtract 3/4. In this case, I split the x across both the sides. So you should be subtracting x or half x, that you decide. Then only the x's will come to one side.
Oh.
So what do you do?
Never had like 2x.
This, okay. See here what I do. You can subtract x. Half x minus x is what? Half x minus 1 by 1x. What is it? Do you know? Not really, right? That's okay. That's okay. I don't want to get into details. Okay, that's fine. No problem. Okay. How about this? If I have x is greater than or equal to 2, how do you represent it on the number line? 2 is here. What do you do with that? How do you represent it?
I
You
would
want to write it on the board? You can show it to me on the board. You can just do it with the mouse. Now, I don't think you have a pen or anything. That's okay. You go ahead with the mouse.
So I would put a dot that's closed on 2, and then I would put the line going that way.
Closed is what, Amma?
Closed means that the sign has an equal to sign, meaning the x could be 2 as well.
Oh, good. That's nice. Okay, that's what I wanted to know. Okay. Now, what else? Okay, equal. Okay, we did a lot of algebra. We did a lot of. Okay, how good are you in this? Okay, let's see this one. This is 30. This is 70. What is this?
That's 80.
How do you know?
Because triangles, angles all equal 80. So 70 plus 30 would be
Sorry, ma. Wait. Let's do this. What is this? Can you describe what you're saying? I didn't get you. That's why I'm asking you again. What is it?
So all the triangles, angles have to equal 80. So, oh, wait, that dot, wait, that part.
No. Tell me. Something you said, right? All the triangle angles should be equal what?
180. So 70 plus 30 is 100. And then 180 minus 100 would be 80. So C would be 80.
Ah, okay. Your answer is correct. But C can be this or that. How do you differentiate that C?
Outside that area.
Outside,
Yeah, so how do you differentiate that?
so I would do 80 plus 30 to equal 110.
No, everything was correct. The way you have analyzed is perfectly correct. This is whatever you said. What did you say? This is
80.
my drawing is messy. This doesn't seem. This is actually 80. This is 100. Okay, great. Okay, what I'm saying is you said C was 100. That doesn't seem right to me. What is the right way of telling what is equal to 100? I'll tell you. Okay.
Oh, C equals 100 degrees.
Which one equal to 100 degree? I can't say C equal to 100. C can be 80 as well. Two angles refer to C. There's only one way of telling one is 100. Which is 100? ACF is 100. You got it?
Oh.
BCA is 80. Make sense?
Yeah.
The center one is what is important, but then how do you draw it is different. You got it?
Yeah.
That's all. Okay. Now, that's good. Okay. How about this? You know how to find the area of a triangle?
Yeah.
Okay. I have this triangle. This is 5 centimeter. This one is 6 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. My triangle is ABC. You got it? My triangle is ABC. I want the area of ABC. Okay. This is 2. What is the area of this triangle, ma'am?
Half.
You know mean median mode, no?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay. Go ahead.
The area would be 14.
Area would be? How did you do this?
So the area of a triangle is half of base times height, and 4 plus 2 would be the base, so 7 times 4 times 1/2. So
7. Where did you get the 7?
5 plus 2.
I see. Then why did you add 4 plus 2 here? Okay, ma. Everything is perfect the way you're telling. Okay. But the biggest issue is here, I'll tell you. This is a challenging question. Okay. So the base is only this. Even if I extend it, that doesn't become the base. Okay. So half times 5 times height. This is all the slant height. You should never even think about it. Even the height can be outside, it's just 4. Because it's a perpendicular distance. You got it? To the base. So this will be 10 centimeters square. Make sense?
Yeah.
Great. Okay. You know what is area of the parallelogram?
Yeah.
What is it?
Its area equals half of base 1 plus base 2 times height.
Parallelogram?
Oh, area equals base times height.
Yes. Good job. Any questions for me?
No.
Oh, okay. I will talk to your dad or mom.
Okay. Can I just call them?
Sure, you can call. Yeah, either of them, whoever wants to talk.
She has question.
Bhavisha. Hi.
Hi.
Mom. Hi.
Hi.
You're in Robinson, is it?
Yes.
Okay, and what is the requirement? You tell me some more requirement about what you want. She's good. She's good with her 6th grade standards.
Oh, okay. She is really interested in doing that CBA this year, but we are not.
Oh, she wants to do CB. Okay, go ahead.
But I want to like improvement in math. That's it.
That's it. Sorry, did she do any CB earlier?
No, this is the first.
She didn't do CB, so she wasn't, if I may assume, right? She's good with her 6th grade work, okay? Now, can I ask you this? She is in 6th grade, doing 6th grade advanced math, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so she's wanting to CBE, and you guys, you just want an advancement, right? Okay, and you're in Plano. See, Plano kids really speak to me. Really, I like it. Meaning the way they, I don't know, from the school, they really make sure that they are up to the standards that they are in always. That's what I am seeing. Okay, so that way it's great. Coming to CBE, right? She's in 6th grade. Now she's not going to CBE 7th math. Meaning she's not going to write the CBE exam this summer, correct?
No, she wanted to. That's why I also not suggested.
The
But
last minute we decided. That means 2 weeks before only she decided I go apply for 7th grade CB now in the summer vacation. I asked how you prepared. I will try what my best. We will see like that.
Okay. But see, that is very nice or brave of her to take that decision to try, right? Without parent support or anything. She's trying. I like that. But I don't want to be discouraging or anything, okay? But think about it. Meaning, 6th grade, now it is May start, right? May started, right? Now, the exam is going to be in July, okay? She did not take the May window. May, there was one another opportunity, correct? So she didn't opt for it. Usually, whenever you take an acceleration exam, you can try 2 times. It is always better to try both, to register for both. Okay, then only you'll know what a CB exam is first time. Second time, you can attend it and pass. However, you have registered for July. Okay, you have June in between. Okay, May full is there, June full is there. Let's say July half is there. Okay, 2.5 months. Okay, what you're going to learn through August to April of 1 year, you're going to try to squeeze that into this. This is pre-algebra 7th grade. Pre-algebra 2nd year. Okay, what she is learning this year is pre-algebra. So pre-algebra 2nd year, she'll learn in 7th grade. That you're going to squeeze it within 2.5 months. One thing is, if this is your target, will be very difficult for me. In the sense, I cannot do a one-on-one. It doesn't work. And 2.5 months, I feel it's too much for a kid to do this. However, I don't want to be discouraging. She can definitely give it a try. Okay, but mentally you have to be prepared. This is going to be hard and I'm going to put in the effort. I will try my best. If she can do it. 7th grade, meaning, yes, she can give it a try for sure. There is nothing wrong. She has to be brave and yeah, she looks like we can give it a try is what she's thinking. But you need to finish all of the pre-algebra of 7th grade. The thing is, in Plano ISD or whichever ISD, 7th grade advanced in Texas requires you to finish 7th advanced fully and 8th grade math, 8th grade level benchmarks you need to finish. Okay. The problem is 6th they would have fed a little bit of it. 7th they cover both. Then only a kid can go to Algebra 1 the next year. If they don't cover this, you cannot go to Algebra 1 next year. And if she is going to CB, the 7th CB exam is there, right? This involves both of the 7th, all the benchmarks of 7th and 8th grade benchmark, grade level benchmarks you need to finish. The exam will constitute both of this. Okay. So that is the difficult part of this. However, taking the summer, utilizing it, studying, I'm always for it. You see what I mean? Meaning it's nice because the kid is wanting to study more. Definitely, you'll have to encourage her to study that. But I put in this many efforts. I tried. I didn't pass. That doesn't tell anything. That doesn't tell anything because you're trying to squeeze everything within 2.5 months. Even if the greatest math expert is there, squeezing within 2.5 months and trying it out is great. You see what I mean? I know Plano ISD's exam. Okay, I know very well. Okay, they give you 96 questions in 3 hours.
Yeah.
So it is okay to try. But if she had done through the year, it's a different story. Okay, meaning if she was in my the 7th level advanced class discusses this. If she was in that class through the year and had taken the exam in May once and July once, yes, it's wonderful. Meaning she has marinated the concepts. The concepts went to her brain for 9 whole months. It's okay to take. But squeezing it is as well. I am not saying you should not try. But you're relying on me. I have to put the real picture to you. You see? So yeah, so with me, what you can do is, right now I cannot push her out of this. Meaning, this is how it works. Okay, 6th grade advanced class. I'll tell you what I will do as well. Goes to 7th advanced, and then it goes to algebra 1, and then it goes to geometry. She's really wanting to accelerate. Great, let her try by herself. I'll put her. I don't know which advanced. I'll think about it, okay? But she's taking an exam in July. It's okay. We will take that in as well. Suppose if she studies 7th advanced next year. This is 2026-27, right? This is 2027-28. If she does this right, in parallel do the geometry, and at the end of algebra 1, take the exam for geo. That will work for her. She's a good kid.
Okay.
She seems a very good kid. Without your all support, she's able to answer anything I ask her in 6th grade level. Yeah. So what you can do, if she's really interested, don't get frustrated that nothing is happening now, because it's very hard. Meaning 2.5 months, Plano ESG test, it's all, everything is the hard part. You see? So great, but I'm not saying you don't try at all. Okay. If you try, nothing happens. Don't worry, because anyway this year you can chill, because you put your heart and soul during the summer of this, so that will show in the 7th grade year. You should be happy with it. But a better way is, what you do is, when she takes algebra 1 in school, let her take geometry with me or whatever you decide on, then take the exam at the end of algebra 1 at school. She will definitely pass.
Okay.
This is one option. So I don't know how you guys want to decide. You all the three can discuss. Let me know. Now you tell me any questions that you have. You can discuss as well. Take your time. But if you have any other questions, you let me know.
Sure.
You want to ask any questions? Kid wants to. Bhavisha, you want to ask something?
No, I'm good. I don't have any questions.
Yeah, but do you know some books to study by yourself? You're following Khan Academy?
Yeah, I have Khan Academy. And so me and my friend are gonna practice for the CBE.
Is she taking the first time or the second time?
Second time.
Second time. And has she done her 7th grade math already?
No, both are first time only. Both are.
Oh, well, I thought she's asking me. No, we
You
both
talking Tamil?
first time. It's our first time.
Okay, both of you are taking it for the first time. And have you, either of you, studied 7th grade already, math?
We already are in honors, so we've studied half of it. But we're gonna study more like today, and we're gonna start studying.
I see. So you have started studying now. You'll study in May, June, right? And then July. See, which is a good thing, okay? I really appreciate that you both are doing it. Okay, not every kid will want to study in the summer, right? I'm really proud of you guys that you want to do. Definitely do your best. But do you know, see, Khan Academy is just not enough. That you know, right?
Yeah, we're also gonna get books like the Amazon books that have like the 7th grade curriculum.
7th is not enough, Amma. You have to do the 8th grade math as well. 8th grade benchmark you need to finish. 8th grade Texas standards you need to finish.
Okay.
See, because your 7th grade advanced does both. You get it? And Plano ISD tests for both.
Okay,
You
so
get it? Both into the same exam, into the same 95 questions, they'll push in.
Okay.
Okay, so many of the kids study only this and go. Don't do that. Do this. Okay?
Okay.
Frustration becomes more only when you study this. Study both and go. Even if it is hard, it's okay. Don't worry about it. You can all chill during the year.
Okay.
Okay, and if you study, great. Okay, if you show some progress in this, I'll put you in my Algebra 1 class as well, starting August.
Okay.
You see what I mean? So you'll always be 1 year ahead. That is also fine with me. If you really show progress, I'll directly put you in Algebra 1 class. You get it?
Yeah.
So that way you always remain 1 year ahead, and you can easily CBE geometry. Okay, don't CBE Algebra 1. Algebra 1 is such a crucial part. Don't CBE Algebra 1.
Okay.
Okay, study here and take it in school. Enjoy, have fun. Always put your grades up in the 95 because Algebra 1 goes to your GPA as well. Maintain a good GPA, chill at school, study geometry in parallel, CBE geometry.
Okay.
Okay, geometry CBE in Plano ISD is a little hard, but you can pass. Okay, I think it's a 3+3 hour exam, right? I think so. They split it into 2, 3 hour, part A, part B.
Yeah.
Okay. Some other ISDs do it at one shot, 3 hours only. Depends, ma. Depends. Okay, one year they do it differently, but Plano ISD, I'm pretty sure they have 3+3 hours.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Any other questions?
No.
Okay. You all will discuss and tell, or what do you want me to do? Tell me.
So hereafter classes.
Okay. With respect to the classes, right? Okay. Allah, this is what I want to know. If you're really particular about the CBE, right? I don't want to give a commitment.
No.
CBE for that.
Yeah.
Don't
I will help her, meaning if she comes to the class, right? As and when, meaning I'll try to, meaning whatever I have assignments already given, right? I'll provide her with all that. Let her try me. I don't want to commit saying, hey, I will make her pass in June. I don't want to give that. Okay, I'm afraid from my end being new to her. You see, so she's more than welcome to start classes. Now it is May, right? You want to start when?
Yeah, in this month also it's okay.
It's okay. Okay, I'll tell you. You decide. Okay, because right now the 6th grade kids, right, meaning the current 6th grade advanced kids, the class she is in, she would have been in if she came last year, right? So that class has started the 7th grade math. Okay, it will be good.
Go home.
No.
Do you want to speak?
No. If she comes in, right, she's more than welcome to come into the class. We will start discussing the 7th grade math, which is good for her. She will find it useful. My only problem is it will not go as fast as she needs for the CBE exam. Does that make sense? We will be discussing topics that are going to come in your exam 100%, but the speed in which we go weekly, right, is not going to be what you need to cover 6th, 7th and 8th within the 2.5 months. You are more than welcome to start it so that we can keep going slowly and I can give you additional assignments. You can do it and come. You see what I mean? I'll switch classes as well. At times I'll ask you to come for a different class if you want to clarify. All that I can do. Okay, but let that one class go at a nice pace where you enjoy the concepts, learn the 7th grade math, 7th and 8th grade math. You get it? That will keep going. Make sense?
Yeah.
That will keep going till what? Next April or whatever. It will keep going. However, if you show real potential, in the sense if you are able to get through, if you study by yourself, come and ask me questions. I can switch classes for you and I can make you ask questions and whatever. And at the end of July, if you really tell me, Auntie, I'm really good with 7th grade and in this CB acceleration exam, I got a 70, I got a 75, then I'll switch you to Algebra 1.
Okay.
Makes sense? But the exam will tell me where you are. Or I can assess you too. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and in your class, right, you don't have to be complacent with what is given. You can do more. You can ask for more assignments. I'll help you with the 8th grade standards as well. Whatever you want, I'll provide you. But the learning piece might fall on you. You get it? I will not go at a faster pace that you need within 2.5 months. Make sense, sir? But I will help you. Whatever assignments you need, hey, this is what you're going to get. Sit and study, I will say. Oh, if you want videos, yes, this is the link. See, this link will really help you. That and all I can do, ma, but I cannot take the class together within 2.5 months. That's all. Okay. You discuss slowly, then just ping me, I'll send you the registration form. The class, and one more thing, you have to be free, right? The classes meet on Tuesdays. Are you free on Tuesday? Oh, wait. No. The classes meet on Sundays. Tonight we have the class. Your class, no hurry, ma. First, all the three of you discuss after getting off the call, and then ping me if you would like to come in from tonight or next week. Whatever you want, I'll do.
Tonight means what time?
Tonight, what time? Let me quickly check out. On the paper, lady did. 1 second. 6 to 7 CT. 6 to 7 CT.
Sunday.
No, feel free to.
7 to 8 CT in
Grade 6. So 6 to 7 CT. Okay, suppose let's say, oh no, the time is not working. If you think so, then all the fresh batches start in June. The timings, details, all will change. You can feel free to choose either. Okay. So yeah.
It is June class, when that will be coming in? That is also same Sunday or any work?
That you can ask me. I have not put any calendar.
Oh, okay.
You don't want a Sunday, you have to tell beforehand.
So now current class I can ready to join in Sunday 6 to 7.
6 to 7.
And if I have to go the new batch, then it will be I need to provide some slot. If that is okay, or you can also suggest something.
Yeah, the way we go is parents are very, very cooperative usually, okay, to change initially. Particularly during the start, they are very flexible because they know if they help this one time, the next time they will get helped. Always it's like that. So they are very flexible. But what I do is, grade 7 is meeting on Sundays. I try to keep the grade 7 class at the same time so that none of them get affected. Okay, we want to change, right? Suppose let's say 2 of them request to change. I'll put it out in the group. Hey, the timings are not working. Can we switch like this? I ask them.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I will just message after some time.
Sure.
Mostly we are planned Sunday only, but I will cross check one more time how
absolutely.
Absolutely. Comfortable for that Sunday 6 to 7. Because mostly Saturday, Sunday only both are free. We go somewhere out or something, possibilities is there.
See, absolutely, I respect it. Whatever you guys decide, I'll stand by that.
So I will update it today EOD. We will decide it for next week onwards or June month onwards. Whatever the plan, we just started for the things, okay?
Sure. Yeah. After that, I'll send the registration form. Okay. Yeah. Nice talking to you guys today.
Thanks for your time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma.